Many players at the recreational and junior level are very fast, explosive, but slow in reaction, because most players miss their shot not because they are not fast enough, but just because their reaction timing is a little bit slow. So if you want to improve your reaction timing and your reaction speed, I would like you to follow this video, because in this video there are a couple of drills that are going to help you react faster to the direction in which you have to play your next ball. Reacting faster helps you in getting to the ball or making proper choices, which going to help you play the balls easy. Slow in reaction is reading the ball, tracking the ball a little bit late, and moving to the direction late. So if you do these drills, by the end of this video I'm going to show you the app I'm using to work on the reaction and the reaction speed. These drills are going to be helpful for you, so stick to the end, copy one or few of them, introduce them into your training routines, and I bet you your speed and your reaction timing is gonna improve incredibly. See you on the video.
All the drills in this video come with a signal on the screen. There are two signals on the screen in these drills we will be using. We have arrows and colors, and each arrow and colors have corresponding target that the player has to move to, which are determined by the level or the distance in which you place the cones. So the player has to react as fast as possible to the direction based on the signal that appears on the screen. You determine the level of difficulty you want the player to work on, because the signals are random, but the delay depends on the coach or the player. If you see that the player is at a certain level, you can step up the difficulty by reducing the delay time of the signal. Player has to react either by hip rotation or by movement, crossover steps, sprint, or just shuffle steps to the cones that are placed on the ground. Based on the signal that appears, the player needs to react, recover, and get set to react for the next signal. As I earlier said, the signals are random, so here there is no anticipation. The player has to be waiting and focus on the signal so that he can move to the appropriate signal. The only failure is when the player moves to the wrong direction when the signal shows a different direction. So you have to pay attention to that.
$30 seconds left.